In this video, I'm going to talk about the Discord age verification. Now, Discord age verification process can involve submitting a video selfie or a government-issued ID to access the age-restricted server. So basically, when you open your Discord, register or verify with your age, then you could see the prompt as such. So let me just quickly show you that. Click open the profile initials, and then you can click on the gear icon at the top right, go to accounts from the list. Here you just want to scroll down and look for verification. Now in some cases you might not be able to see it right on this page, so whenever you're trying to join any sort of server, then it's gonna ask you to verify your age verification, right? And as already mentioned, you could send a video selfie or a government issued ID to access age restricted server, and user should do or so thoroughly official through official Discord channel only. And to get started, you just have to navigate to your user settings. Like I said, click open that up, or you just want to go to the profile initials at the top and click on the gear icon, and there you go to the user settings. And once you're on the user settings, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on the gear icon or tap open the account section, and here you could go ahead and verify. And that's basically how you could go ahead and verify your account or verify with Discord age verification. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.